Okay, next let's take a look at inline welder, and this welder is the AKS 3955 and comes with a combination of flat heater plates or V heater plates or V welding. So as you see here on your screens, this is a AKS 3955 slash 2FV welder that is being shown here. This is the V heater plate head, and this is the F heater plate. It's capable of doing miter welds, reverse butt welds, V welds, and variable angle welds. You will see the same thing on the video, which I will show you soon. Just after this, the maximum size possible here is 4030 millimeters of rectangle. It consumes 36 liters per cycle, and the maximum height of profile possible is 130 millimeters. Maximum width is 145 millimeters. It consumes 3.5 kilowatt of power per head, which means for 2 heads it will be 7 kilowatts. And now let's have a look at the video. This is the AKS 3955 2FV. That's the V head. You can see the shape of the heater plate here. The first type of welding that is happening is the V welding here. You've already seen this being done in one of the previous sections, so I'll go fast forward on this video. That's the frame in which the V notch has been cut, and this is the transom. And after placing it, the machine is started, and after 3 minutes, that's the V weld done here, over here. The miter welds on 2 heads, on the V head as well as the F head, you can do miter welds. That's the horizontal piece clamped. Now he's putting the vertical pieces. And press the 2 buttons and the PLC takes over. Entire cycle is after this automated. Two corners welded. Now the other 2 corners here, the piece will be reversed, and again one more member will be welded to complete the rectangle. On the F head, you can do variable angle welding. There's a graduated scale here and a graduated scale here, and you can change the angle from 30 degree to 180 degrees for these 2 heater plates, for these 2 support blocks. That's what he's doing right now. And then we'll place the profile. And the cycle starts. And there you see a variable angle weld. This is a 30-degree weld that he did. So one machine capable of doing all the 4 different types of welding. The AKS 3955 comes with 2 heads, 3 heads or 4 heads. The one that you see here is a 4-head machine, wherein you can have all different combinations. 3955 2 FV is 1 F and 1 V, or you can have a 2 VV. If it's a 3-head machine, you can have a 3 FVF or a 3 FVV, which means 1 and 2 heads with flat heater plates, 1 with V. In the other variant, you have 3 FVV, where there are 2 V heads and 1 F. There's another variant which is 3 VVV. Then we have 4 FVVF, 4 FVVV, and 4 VVVV. Out of which the ones that are in bold, 2 FV, 3 FVF, 3 FVV, and 4 FVVF make the most sense commercially.